Paano ba na natin masasabi na tayo ay mayroong strong personality? What are the signs of having a strong personality? Ito ba yung tipong nagmamataas ka? Ito ba yung tipong binubuhat mo lagi yung bangko mo? Ito ba yung tipong parang lagi kang galit? Ito ba yung tipong lagi mong pinagmamayabang lahat ng ginawa mo or pinagmamalaki ang lahat ng na-achieve mo? Yan. If those are the signs of having a strong personality, then there might be something wrong. Being strong person or having a strong personality doesn't mean that you have to boast everything. Doesn't mean that you have to be on top of everybody. Doesn't mean that kailangan mo nang magmayabang, magmalaki at magmaliit ng tao. Because having a strong personality is having a soft and genuine heart. What I mean, strong ang personality mo if kaya mong ipakita kung sino at ano ka. At hindi ka magtatago sa pagiging mayabang at pagiging mapangmataas. Strong ang personality mo if kaya mong harapin yung mga fears mo. Strong ang personality mo if kaya mong aminin yung mga pagkakamali mo. Maraming signs of having a strong personality. And those things na minention ko kanina, yung pagmamataas, pagmamayabang, nagmamaliit ng tao, those are signs of weaknesses. I tell you. Because sometimes akala natin mataas tayo. Sometimes akala natin strong tayo. Pero baka hindi. Sa tingin mo, ikaw ba ay strong ang personality? Or not? If not, what are you gonna do? This is me, Kuya Bilguero, saying, ako ang kuya mo. God bless you.